So today we're going to look at an issue that can occur on certain Subaru Foresters 2014 through 2017 model year. So these vehicles may come into your shop and the customer may complain that the MIL or malfunction indicator lamp on the instrument cluster is illuminated. Now, at that particular point, typically when a customer has that sort of complaint on their vehicle, your next step is usually to take it for a test drive and then eventually hook up a scan tool to see what's causing the MIL light to illuminate. And in this particular case, you may find that there are some misfire codes stored in the PCM. It can be a cylinder-specific misfire code stored, a P0301, P0302, P0303, or a P0304 since it's a four-cylinder engine. It may even perhaps have a P0300 random misfire code stored in the PCM. So any or all of those could be stored in the PCM, indicating a potential cylinder misfire issue.